Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Junaid Al Habib. I study at Darussalam Model Madrasa in class 5. Originally, I'm from Jamalpur, but at present, I'm staying at Chabatoli in Sherpur with my family. There are 4 members in my family, including me. My father's name is Saiful Islam, who is a freelancer, and my mother's name is Jamali Khatun, who is a housewife. My father always loves me very much, and my mother cooks so delicious food for us. I'm very simple boy who always tries to follow my teachers and parents' instructions. My favorite hobby is learning English. Whenever I get time, I try to practice English with my father. Basically, I'm a student. After completing my study, I'd like to be a doctor, and it's my long cherished dream. Please keep in your prayers so that I can touch my goal. I like to study more. Specifically, I'd like to be an English speaker. I think that everybody should learn English for making their bright future. Now I am a student of Battle of English and IELTS, which is located at Munshi Bazar in Sherpur.